If you were injured while riding on a ferry, a tour boat, a cruise ship, or a privately owned vessel in the Port of Oakland or Bay Area waters, you may be dealing with painful injuries, unexpected medical bills, and a lot of unanswered questions. For many people, the biggest surprise is learning that injuries on the water are not handled under regular California personal injury law. Instead, they often fall under a special body of federal law called maritime or admiralty law. That distinction matters because ferry operators, boat owners, and cruise companies know these rules well, and they often move quickly to protect themselves. You deserve someone on your side who understands how maritime law applies to passengers. If you're injured on the water as a passenger or guest, your case is very different from a typical car or slip and fall accident. Federal maritime law places specific duties on vessel owners and operators, including maintaining safe vessels, properly training crew members, and responding appropriately to emergencies. When injuries occur due to unsafe conditions, poor maintenance, reckless operation, or lack of supervision, you may have the right to seek compensation. These claims often come with strict notice requirements and shorter deadlines, making early action critical. If you were hurt on a boat or ferry, reach out to understand and protect your rights. Knowing that maritime law applies is only the beginning. What you do next, especially in the first days after an accident, can have a major impact on your ability to recover compensation. After a maritime accident, prioritize your health and seek medical care right away, even if injuries seem minor. Report the incident to the vessel operator and request a written report. If possible, take photos of the scene and collect witness contact information. Be cautious with insurance companies and avoid recorded statements or signing documents before understanding your rights. Maritime claims often have shorter deadlines than land-based cases, so acting quickly matters. If you were injured as a passenger on the water, early legal guidance can help protect your claim. Contact us today. Even when liability seems clear, vessel owners and maritime insurers often dispute responsibility or downplay injuries. That's where experienced legal representation becomes critical. Maritime injury cases, especially for passengers, are legally complex. An experienced Oakland Maritime attorney can investigate ferry, tour boat, and recreational vessel accidents, preserve key evidence, and hold vessel owners accountable under federal law. We manage insurance communications, identify all liable parties, and pursue compensation for medical bills, lost income, and long-term injuries. If you were hurt on the water in the Port of Oakland or anywhere in the Bay Area, we're here to protect your rights while you focus on healing. Being injured on the water can leave you feeling disoriented and unsure of where to turn, but you do have options. Reach out today for a confidential case review and learn how maritime law may protect you as a passenger or guest on the water.